Welcome to my automotive channel. Today we got something special ahead for you. Stay tuned. Roll the intro. Hey, we don't have a cringy intro with music yet. Oh. Stay tuned. So a guy goes for a walk the other day with the companion here. It's loaded in the truck. Goes for a walk the other day. Stumbles upon under the bridge is a what looked to be a small block Chevy. There's a whole engine down there. Well, not a whole engine. There's an engine block down there. So I figured for the morning here on Sunday, make a cup of tea. Let's go for another walk. Brought the dolly with me today. So let's see if we can go grab it. I also ran into a beauty of a buddy who used to own the truck before me. He says, hey, I got some parts for that old girl. This is what I've been missing. I've had no door handle, trim for here, and that piece. Mint. Thanks, buddy. Got the rig all warmed up. Ready to go. Well, that's the engine block in question. Down under the bridge. V8 motor.
I'm looking down, now that it's over, reflecting on all of my mistakes. I thought I found the road to somewhere in His grace. I cried out, heaven save me, but I'm down to hold me now. I'm 6 feet down.
We got it up to the truck. Trick is, gotta get it in the truck. That's how we do it. We keep doing this, we're gonna have to step up to the big block Chevys. You find a big block Chevy underneath a bridge somewhere, you let me know. Let's just measure the bore here with our super precise micrometer. See if it's been overbored. Should be a 4-inch bore if it's stock. Looks like maybe 4 1/16, but to me that just looks like a stock bore, 4-inch. So you can always bore these out. I think 10 over is a 3 if it's a stock stroke. A 10 over is like a 355. 20 over it might be a 360, and then I think any bigger than 30 I think is your max bore for these. We'll do some research. If it turns out to be broken somewhere, we'll check it over, wash it off, get the dirt off of it. We'll check it over. If there's any major cracks, then it's going to the scrap metal, but I figured, what the hey, might as well throw it in here. So it's in the truck. Question is, will I ever put it in the truck? This has just got a V6. She's been a great truck to me. I sure wouldn't mind having a V8 motor. So that the V8's in the truck now, Maybe it'll be in the truck. Came from under the bridge. Maybe it'll be under my hood. Time will tell. Now the question is, why was this under a bridge? We're gonna have to look it over. There's obviously a little bit of surface rust. Somebody's painted it. The casting numbers were a little too painted in to see exactly what this digit was. Well, that one. But it's a 4-bolt main when I flipped it over, so that's usually good. 2-bolt mains are good up to about 450, maybe 500 horse, but those 4-bolt mains are a bit better. Head off, we're gonna do a little walk now that we're out here in the great wilderness. Let this dog go free. You guys should be thankful you got such a clean shot of me lifting that into the truck. Did it about 4, 5, 6 times there just to get the perfect shot for you guys. So, you know, put it in, take it out, pick it back up, put it in. The things I do for you.
Such a good time, really good time.
See you guys next time. Cheers.